Hi, this is a review and installation of this Tauri glass protector for iPhone 12 Pro Max. This one comes with a separate protector for the lens. That's why I picked this one. And this is the gold color. Okay, let's see what comes with it. Comes with a extra free gifts. It's a charger, extra charger. So it comes with two sets of lens protector. This is what's this? I think it's probably a guide. I think that you can put in your phone, and comes with one, two, three screen. Now the reason I like this is because it doesn't have a big notch right here, but only have the earpiece portion. Okay, so let me see. Let me take out my phone case. So this is the iPhone Gold. This one have a sticker guides. And of course, it's just the same as the old ones. It has one for each screen. So you have three sets of sticker guide for the three screens. Okay, let me put the two aside. And you're gonna have a registration, so you can have a warranty for your screen protector. And also you have wipes, plus you have a drying cloth. You have three wipes as well, and one dry cloth. Okay, so basically to use this, so this is the case that I have, so I took this out for now to put in the case. So I think this is just a guide where to put the screen. So you can install it properly. Let's see if that's the right one. Yep. So it's nice that they put this so you can make sure that you have the screen centered properly. So let me take this out. Let me go clean my screen first. So this is the wet one. This is a dry one. So you just have to dry this properly. So let's put this thing in. Okay. Okay. So this is how you take it out. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the sticker, guide sticker. Maybe I'll just put one on each end. since it has this guide as well. So we're going to use that. And before I do that, I'm going to remove the dust because I saw that there's like a dust there right away. Okay, take this thing out. Okay, use this guide. As you can see, okay, now I'm gonna help it up. Okay, take out the sticker. So it's very easy to install. Okay, let me go remove the guide now and wipe it off. It's very clear. So look at that. No air at all. Now let's go try to install the lens protector. Let's compare the color of the lens protector compared to the actual camera. So let's get it closer. Oops, sorry. You can see the color is almost the same. I'm not sure if you can see that properly on the camera. Um, there's a shadow, but yeah, maybe I'll put it right here. So the color is really this it's really close. I really can't tell the difference. So let's see. Let's try putting it in. Okay. So let's go back to the wipe, to the red, to the wet wipes. Let's do it one at a time. Okay. Okay, so this is the first one. Let's see. I guess I'll just have to push it in. Oh wow. Okay. Go with the second one. So I have two installed right now, just so that you can see the difference. It's a little higher compared to the actual camera, but you know the color It's almost the same. You really can't, I bet once I have Ultra installed, you really can't tell that there's actually a lens protector in here. So let me clear the last one. Wow. So it's a little higher, but it actually does sit in properly to the lens. So we'll just see how good is it when it comes to taking picture. Okay, I think we're good. So this is a very easy install. This is the easiest install I have, the Tauri Glass Premium Glass Protector. So it's very clear. I don't see any problem with the install. There's no issue. It looks really good. The camera is well protected. Let me go just wipe this last time, make sure I remove all the air if there's anything else left. And let me go. Now, moment of truth is, will it fit properly in the case? That's what we want to see. There you go, no problem. Even with the case, everything's good. Oh wow, what's that light that you can see from the camera? Probably a sensor or something. Very good. So easy install. I have two more extra and another extra set of lens protector. Initially the lens is a little lower than the case, but since we put the lens protector, which made it a little higher, now it's actually just level with the case that I have. So it looks, you won't really notice it if you if I don't tell you that there is a lens protector here, you won't really notice it. So cool. I hope that this helped you, and if it does, please help me by subscribing to my channel so I can make more video like this for you. Thank you.